Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle. Practically it could be any Hyundai vehicle guys. If you put your Hyundai vehicle in drive, if you have a manual transmission, or if you have automatic transmission, you put it in reverse, then drive or parking guys, and you hear a clunking sound coming from the engine area guys, we will explain the top one reason for that. Make sure you stay until the end. There could be 3 things that can cause that guys, so we're going to cover all that as we go. Even though we're demonstrating on a Hyundai Sonata, the same concept will apply to almost any Hyundai, and some of those could be Hyundai Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, Veloster and Accent as well. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So imagine guys, okay, you put the car in drive or reverse or in gear and you hear clunking from the engine area guys. You see quite a bit of engine movement. What causes that? Now let's explain what it could be guys. Up to 3 things, but all of them relate to one problem with bad engine mount. So what I mean guys, you have most of the times on Hyundai's 3 engine mounts. One on the passenger side, it keeps the engine up on the left side. One on the transmission sides, it keeps the engine and the transmission assembly up on the right side. And where is the third one? Okay, we're going to explain in just a second. But looking at it now guys, okay, these 2 mounts keep the engine up and they prevent vibrations from going to the car frame, so you don't feel vibrations inside. But where is that third mount that is most of the times guys responsible for that problem? Now make sure to stay until the end. We want to explain something else as well. This is it guys. On the bottom, usually where the bell housing is between the transmission and the engine, somewhere close to that area, you will have a mount that is known as a torque strut mount, and if it's broken inside, that will allow engine movement. That bushing here will be, it may have a play, and every time you put it in gear or drive or reverse guys, you will have change of tension, which will result into banging, clunking noises. So yeah, that's because of a most likely a bad strut mount. But also, if that mount is fine, it could be bad passenger mount, and lastly bad transmission mount. So if you want to see how to replace each one of those on a Hyundai, we have the video on the channel, so please check it out. It will teach you how to replace passenger side engine mount, transmission mount and torque strut mount as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.